What is Amazon FBA? Can you make money? And how do you go about doing it? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what Amazon FBA is and 5 steps in exactly how you can go about doing it. And if you didn't know, this is your FBA star, Vic, welcoming all new FBA stars to the channel. Make sure you smack that subscribe button and hit that little bell icon so you know when I'm releasing new videos. So what is Amazon FBA? Well, FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. So this is where you produce a product in China, you get it sent straight over to Amazon's warehouse, and Amazon will take care of the rest. They will take care of the picking, the packing, and the delivery of the product. They'll also take care of the customer service for you and the returns. And as an Amazon FBA seller, you become a prime seller, which puts you ahead of all of your competition. Can you make money selling on Amazon? Absolutely yes. When I launched my first product, I made £1,000 in profit in my first month. And in my second month, I made over £2,500 in profit. That's amazing. And that was just my first product. Since then, I've grown and expanded the business globally. So I now sell 10 products across the US, UK, and Europe. US being my absolute biggest market. So how can you make money selling products on Amazon? Well, it's really simple. The first step is product research. So what we would do is we would search through Amazon's database, find products that are selling at high quantity, high volume, and making great revenue every single month. And we also want to make sure that there's low competition so we can enter that market and sell our product. Now, we're not going to sell the exact same product, almost, but we're going to be adding value in various different ways. So whether that's improving upon the pictures or the listing of the product, the description of the product, or adding significant value by looking through the product reviews and really discovering what customers are actually wanting from the product, what they like and what they don't like, and then going and improving that product. So how do you go and find these products? Well, you have to use a software or a tool called Jungle Scout. Now, I have a link in the description to the 5 simple rules that you would need to find a profitable product. So make sure you get your ebook now. This should help you get a head start on what you actually need to learn. Now, the second step is to contact suppliers. Now, we use a website called Alibaba.com. I've already made a video in this about contacting suppliers and getting the best prices and the best suppliers. So make sure you check out that video. I'll put a link in the description for you so you can check that out. But essentially, once we get on Alibaba.com, get in contact with suppliers, find the best prices and the best suppliers, we go ahead with one and get the product shipped over to Amazon's warehouse, whether that's in the UK or US. Now, the next step is to create a powerful listing, a listing that converts and sells to customers, where customers come to your page, look at your product, look at your images and your description and think, wow, this is the product that I want. So make sure you check out the video that I made on creating a profitable listing. Now, the fourth step is to get your product ranked on first page. Now, this is where most of the sales are made, and this is where most of your profits are actually going to come from. So once you've got a low competition product that's making high sales revenue, then this should be pretty simple and easy to do. And the fifth step, once you're actually making money and you're making profit and your life has started to change, whether that's an extra $1,000 a month, $2,000 or $10,000 a month, you need to start to expand your business. So if you went from 1 to 2 products, you could be doubling your income. If you went from 2 to 10 products, that's 5 times your income there. So make sure you expand your business once you've started making a fair bit of money from your first product. Amazon have huge opportunities online. There are hundreds of thousands of products on there and new products coming on there every single day. So all you would need to do is find a proven product, improve that product, and make a better offering to customers. It's that simple. This is why I love Amazon FBA. It's changed my life. I was able to quit my job. I'm able to work and travel absolutely anywhere in the world. It doesn't take too much time. Obviously, you have to put in the effort up front. But once it's all up and running, all you need to do is a little bit of work every single day, maybe a couple of hours a day to make sure you're maintaining. If you're growing the business, obviously you need to put in more work to grow that business quickly. Now, I don't know if any of you know this, but 50% of customers who go online to shop go straight to Amazon's website. They don't go onto Google, they don't go onto any other website. 50% of these people are going straight to Amazon and buying from there. it can literally take under a minute to buy a product. This is why people and customers and sellers love Amazon, and this is why you should be thinking about starting a business on Amazon. Now, don't forget to collect your ebook with the link in the description. Make sure you like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Smack that subscribe button because I'm pumping out videos on a weekly and daily basis. Now, let me know, are you thinking of starting an Amazon FBA business? Just click yes or no in the top right-hand section of this video. And don't forget, we have an awesome Facebook group called the FBA Stars Facebook group where we are constantly sharing knowledge, and I invite you to come and join our ever-growing team. I will see you there and in the next video.